Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to enable parental control on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to enable parental control on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to enable parental control on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to enable parental control on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Enabling parental control on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on parental controls. Enable parental control by toggling it on. Enter 4-digit code. Confirm it. Enter your password. Parental control is turned on. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable parental control on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.